guys, good afternoon. And today's video is, as you can see, my friend is visiting again here in the mountain. So that we're going to live later. Then Angelica she want to join my live to get more subscriber because she was starting to create a YouTube.
My house is just small.
Yes, so
I need your support.
Yes. To all my subscribers, to all my supporter, please support my friend Filipina Mix Vlog. I'm right? Yes. And she is my best friend and also my kumari. Sa English ako You know not guys that his daughter is my
godchildren.
Godchildren, yes. Okay, you understand na lang. So right now is as you can I bought these shrimp crackers and siomai to the store because we have a plan and my friend Angelica to take make a snack. When I'm doing live, I have just like to eat. That's much my tummy is not starving. So let's go cooking the siomai. Kung anong steam, di ba? Not fry.
Steam
Yes.
na siya.
Okay, let's go and cook. Sorry for my English. Then I have a lemon
May kayo
here,
nagpalit
and
ka.
soy sauce for the sauce of the siomai. So this is the perfect sauce for the siomai, guys. No need to put everything just like a chili sauce. Only the soy sauce and calamansi. Lemon is the best. So let's go on cooking. So I'm going to prepare the siomai because I already put the steamer on the firewood and also boiling. Oh, you know guys, as this siomai is my favorite, one of my favorite street food. You know that I buy the 1 pack of siomai because when you buy in the what call banday
Mga streets.
Yeah, in the street vendors. It's just like that. These 3 pieces, 20 pesos. So it's not worth it. So that if you want to crave or want to eat siomai, you lang buy 16 pieces.
1 kilogram.
1 kilo of
siomai
in 1 pack. So you can lang steam. So I'll check if the all water is already boiled, so that ready to put the siomai in the steamer. I-direct diri das plato. Di ka na magtubig.
Tubig ni siya.
So we need to
Di
na to. Aron dili init. Pila ka minutes ang siomai ikan? Mga 20 luto na ay. So the ready to put the siomai.
Instruction.
And ibutang sa diri sa basahon kay maglisod ti ako mabing. Sorry guys, sorry for the our own language because we are Bisaya. Bisdak.
Bisaya.
Atin mo tayo kainit.
Dak.
Yo. Dili po gyud kuan sa nipis. So you have idea na guys, if you want to crave a siomai, you can buy na lang 1 pack because if you
Sulit kaayo.
yes, so worth it and affordable.
Yes.
Because this one is only 200. If you buy how many pieces in the vendor, you
Tag 5 ang buok tag cheese.
Yes.
Anak day.
This only one is 5 pesos when you buy in the vendor. You read the cooking instruction.
Boil water and steamer.
Steam for about 3 to 5.
Kadali ra di
50
ay.
minutes. Sige, set a timer. Okay, it's ready to put in the steamer and the firewood. You know guys, this is our stove here in the mountain. This is the native native stove.
Native.
15 day kay. Just wait for about 5 minutes.
Magkuan na tas.
Time is we're preparing for the sauce. I put lemon or calamansi in the small lemon. Sorry for the messy background guys, because I cannot clean pa.
It's normal.
It's normal.
It's normal.
So right now I am Angelica photographer. You know guys that our nickname is the same, Angie.
Angie.
She is Angelica and me is Angeline. That's why our nickname is Angie. The shortcut, the in short. You know?
The nickname is the same but different in full name.
Yes.
Kisa
Match.
itong kuanday
Insa.
kanang Filipina jackpot.
Sa Rose. One of nila YouTube channel but did not monetize. Lang supporters ba? Because they have 7 cellphone.
How to be you at the Rose.
Shout out Ate Rosemary, the American man, Filipino wife.
Yes.
You know guys, she comment yesterday on my live that she want to eat cornaba. But
Kung napatoy kornaba ila Ate Gian, we can buy, but sad
did
to
not
say,
wala. There's
she's
not
saying
yeah.
kuan banana yet kay marag wala pa
That's
sila
why na lang siomai. Sorry Ate Rose, if you watch this, you can crave the siomai.
siomai and the cropic.
How's the timer?
3 minutes.
3 minutes left.
It's already 2 minutes 57.
If 1 minute na lang, okay. Ang toyo dahi. The soy sauce you can,
Ano
mix.
siya tigumon? Di siya
Pwede rin, di ba kay Ate Ana, kay yaman i-mix niya din, iputang na, yes. Kay, ilang langan. I-mix na lang, then, ito na lang ikuan niya. Much better dahi if magsiparitag on bowl for the spicy.
Mag-spicy.
Yes, and then separate for the kids. One? One pa. I set the timer for the steam siomai. You know why that I steam the siomai, not fry, because the steam so healthy. Not the fry is done frying is oily. Hi Shan, say hi. Hi guys. My son is waiting for the siomai because this one his favorite.
Nangayo na siya.
Yung kuan na kalamansi because kuan his favorite. Katulang pinugaan ayon na. Ana.
Ano yung pinugaan?
Kaya na lang supsupon.
Mama Jude.
Collaboration with 2 YouTube content creator. Please support her channel guys because she is also starting. So
Just started.
making a content to upload.
Just a week.
Yeah.
Just started just a week.
In just a week.
Yes. Nakaroon kasi mana be. I think 3 weeks.
May na kabutang dai kanos ka nag-start na sa YouTube.
Nag-start ko og create.
Oh yeah, created.
Na. Pero
But yung upload
upload.
Okay.
This time we're going to add the
Soy sauce.
soy sauce, and the scissor is very sharp.
Kuan siya guys. Habul. You know that if you want a cut it, the dead is kuan
Alive.
alive.
The dead is alive again.
When you cut the scissor. You know that this is the perfect sauce for siomai.
Suka day.
Ano suka kaya kalamansi?
No.
Sige, soy sauce pa. Slow mo na. Tama na. Then you separate for the kids. Then,
Separate for the kids.
ay kuan.
Angeline is
Get,
very expert. Everyone.
Oh. Okay, the kuan steam siomai if kuan already cooked. Unsa may tiam na natigil. Pagkuha ko sa tinidor. We're going to try if already cooked or not.
First time na nag-rip niya day.
Yeah. First time in my life steam siomai because you know that if
The money
kuan craving siomai ay kuan lang ba for only with 20 pesos per aba. Oh, totoo na.
Luto niya day.
Oh, it's already cooked. It's already cooked. Yummy. Craving satisfy. Yummy, good. Ano na? Kaya ma-overcook. Craving satisfy. Lugay na ko ito mga naalong pang simana ko nag-crave. You can transfer it in the plate.
Nagkuhan ang cam. Lights, camera, action.
Okay.
So,
Lami,
today guys,
Prituhin na nag-grouping. Meron na siya makaon.
I'm going to put the spicy,
Kuan na, di on.
the sili.
Oh, sige.
O kana mo isuwa kay suwa man anak.
Tanggalay kag panit, basta di siya ganan sa panit.
Tanggalan na to palit na tiwalaw eh. Ha?
Arnie mani. Angelica is put chili spicy on the sauce. That's why I separate one. This one for our kids. So that's our sauce.
Hang.
Yeah, spicy. That's good sauce.
Kani ba chicharo?
Refreshing.
It's over.